Hello guys, my name is Nikolai James Montanola. I am ready to discuss on our presentation in the course project of Computer Programming 1. When I prefer Group 1, our topics are called Flowcharts, Primitive Data Types, and if statements. Now, get ready to present. The definition of flowcharts means it represents graphics of an algorithm. In this process, drawing is the way to create a flowchart for an algorithm. We'll show you the image of the flowchart. So put some shapes and arrows so you can line them up in a flowchart so that will create as an algorithm when you are programming in the computer. So this looks like when a flowchart is created, it turns into an algorithm. Number 2. The definition of primitive data types means the list of data types include byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean, and char. It is supported with Java. When it is in support with Java, there are data types that can follow in the primitive along with multiple data types. Multiple primitive data types in computer programming. When computer programmers created data types, they use primitive and they put multiple data types in primitive area. The last one, definition of if statement. There are 3 types of if statements named if then else, and if then else if. This type is conditional in computer programming. When you put ifs, there will be a way to put if word in Visual Studio 2019. Also, you can put else and you can open and close when there are if and else words into the Visual Studio 2019. We are all good, so thank you for discussing the Group 1 topics in our Computer Programming 1 course project. Once again, I'm Nikolai Montanola. Let the computer programmers do their work in creating their way in Visual Studio codes within our topics between flowcharts, primitive data types, and if statements. Thank you, and see you next time.